Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to make a cool title intro. Before that, let's see the demo. I have two files here, audio and video footage. Now drag the video footage onto video timeline. Select Keep Project Settings. Drag the audio file onto audio timeline. Click on minus to zoom less. Now go to Media, Sample Colors and select Gradient Color, drag it to Timeline. Double-click on Gradient Color, click on Advanced button. Select First Color, click OK. Go to Image tab, Compositing, then change Blending Mode to Overlay, click on OK. Add plain title to timeline. Then double-click to rename text. I will change font to Railway Black. Now go to Transition tab, click on Evaporate, drag and drop onto text layer. Again select Wormhole, Transition and drag onto video layer. Find Fade Transition, drag to end of text layer. Do that also for video layer. Cool. We will add effects now. Find Chromatic Aberration, drag on top of text layer. Let's add elements. We will add Fingers Energy. Drag closer to Chromatic Aberration. I will add some more effects. Cool. Adjust the effects. OK, now right-click on video. Click Add Animation. Drag the slider to the initial position. Click on Add button. Then drag the slider to the end of video. Increase the scale as shown. Thank you. Please share and subscribe.